Hey, my name is Brandy Ronalda. This is the class BRE-120, so this is real estate appraisal. I'm here today to talk to you about chapter 3, which is the appraisal process. There are 8 steps in the appraisal process. The first one is defining the appraisal problem. That's the who, what, where, when, why kind of thing. You need to define what you're appraising, where it is, how you're going to appraise it, like what kind of value they're looking for, and so that's the why. And you got to define what you're doing first. Then you're going to start doing a little cyber stalking on the property, gathering your data for your preliminary analysis. And then you're going to start collecting and verifying and analyzing all of that data. So you have data, you got to make sure it's true. Next, we're going to look at the highest and best value of use for that property in particular. So for example, if you have a teeny tiny single family residence in the middle, like on 2 acres in the middle of a bunch of high-rise apartments and hotels, maybe it's not the best use for that property. Maybe the best use would be to knock it down and build another hotel or apartment or condo. Who knows? Let's see, what is next? Valuing the site and the land. So in the example I just gave, the land is probably going to be valued at more than the house itself. So if your valuation is less than how much the land would be, there's a problem. So we need to first discuss how much the land is, and then how much the improvements on the land are, and then we're going to add them together later in one of the future steps. Next, we're going to apply the 3 approaches to our analysis here. So are we doing the cost approach? Are we doing the comparison, where we pull comps to see one just like it sold last week for this much money? What are we going to do? And the last approach is the income approach. If we have an income property, we're going to use an income approach style to appraise that building, that home, that unit, whatever it is. Step number 7 is reconciling the values, the value indicators. So we're going to add it all up, subtract whatever we have to do, what the data is telling us, like these 3 homes sold for this amount of money, but they had pools and this one doesn't. We're going to have to adjust for that. We're going to put all that data together of how much the land is worth, the property is worth, and then we're going to do step number 8, where we put it into a report and we report to the party who ordered the appraisal. So those are the 8 steps of the appraisal. Once you get that done, your appraisal is done. You turn in your report and say, thank you, have a good day. So that was chapter 3. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye.